and welcome to Empowered Tuesday series episode 2. Today I'm going to talk about how to focus using 3 simple steps. Since our childhood, our parents have told us to focus, relatives told us to focus, teachers tell us to focus, when we start working our boss tell us to focus, but nobody tells us how to focus. So today we are going to see 3 simple steps which will initiate the process of focusing in our life. The first step is finding the reason of our being. Ikigai, a Japanese concept, explains the reason of our being in 4 simple steps. Okay, the first step is finding something which we love doing, finding something which we are passionate about. Okay, now you might feel that whatever I love doing, can I develop that into my profession? So the answer is yes. If you find whatever you love doing and you learn and improvise on that particular concept so that you become an expert in that area. For example, if you love painting, take example of Picasso. He is a most known personality when it comes to the world of painting. For example, in the field of photography, if you go and Google Sue Bryce, she is a portrait photographer for past 28 plus years, and the kind of empire she has built on that one talent of photography. That's it. Okay, so the first step is that you need to believe in yourself and find what you actually love doing. Don't stop there. Go to the second stage, and now you bring in focus for learning and improvising on that talent which you have. Okay, so that you can find a niche market which is ready to pay for your talent. And it will not be that you are taking money from them. It is like you have a gift, you have a talent, and there is an energy exchange happening in the form of money which they are giving you, and you're giving them your talent. So you're worth whatever money you're getting in return because you have developed that level of expertise in that particular field. So be it painting, be it photography, be it a skill like motivational speaking. If you go and Google Les Brown, he has his entire website talking about power voice training. He has developed his expertise in that. So first step to understand how to develop focus is find the reason of your being and develop your knowledge, develop your skills, develop your aptitude in that particular area. Okay, second is the second step. Now I am going to second step is remember we are not perfect. Okay, we all are perfect in our imperfections, as said by Megan McCafferty. Okay, she says, she's an American author, and she says, Megan says that we are perfect in all our imperfections. Even Louis Say, Oprah Winfrey, and many more women entrepreneurs, many more self-help pioneers are saying that we are perfect in all our imperfections. So if we keep on focusing only on the imperfections, we will never ever be focusing on our talents, on our skill sets. So once you understand the reason of your being, it might happen as you're developing the talent in this particular area, you might face certain failures. You might feel that the things are not happening the way you want to happen, or you want it to happen, and you might give up. So please do not give up. Remember, you're perfect with all your imperfections. It's like a moon. Okay, a moon is called a moon, be it in a new moon phase or a full moon phase, or be it in first quarter or third quarter, or in any phase. A moon is a moon, and moon is beautiful. Likewise, you are perfect with all your imperfections. So start focusing on your passion, start focusing on how will you develop your passion, and go ahead with it. Okay, so do not be afraid of failures. Failures will come, and it's perfectly fine. Moving ahead is what is very, very important. Yeah. And the third very important principle which will enable you to move ahead is be a inversely paranoid personality. Okay, so who is a person who is a paranoid person? A paranoid person is a person who believes the entire universe, the entire mankind, and all the situations in his or her life are always against him, are always having a conspiracy to hurt this particular person. That's a paranoid person. Now, who is an inversely paranoid person? Inversely paranoid person is a person who believes that the entire universe, the entire mankind, all the individuals around him are working towards his betterment. Whatever situations are coming in his or her life is for his or her betterment. It is for evolving that person as a better person. The universe here is conspiring to give surprises, to give gifts. So even if sometimes there are certain incidences in life which are at that particular time not as per the way you wanted, remember when you look back at these incidences 6 months, 1 year, 5 years later, you are going to understand those incidences allowed you to evolve into what you are now in the future. Yeah, so that's an inversely paranoid person. So once you become inversely paranoid, you will not lose your focus towards your talent. You will not give up that particular thing just because somebody is telling you that there is no market for it. Just because somebody is telling you there is so much of competition, how will you survive? You will keep on going and keep on learning and keep on evolving and keep on mastering and keep on keeping faith in whatever you are doing. Okay. So remember these 3 steps to build in focus in your life. First is find the reason of your being, what gives you energy. Find the reason of that. Second is understand that in your life we are perfect with all our imperfections. Okay, the world itself is not perfect. We all have different kind of people with different ideologies, and everybody is needed to make this world what it is. So we are perfect in all our imperfections. And the third thing is, which is very important, be an inversely paranoid person and see, because it's all in our thoughts. So if we think that the entire universe is coming together for my good, then surely the entire universe is going to come together to give you the gifts and the surprises which you deserve and desire. So if you feel this video was informative, do like and share this video if you're watching on LinkedIn or Facebook, and if you're watching this on YouTube, do subscribe. Take care. Stay protected.